Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about the one, the only, the retail giant Costco. As of today, the stock did sell off about 7%. We're going to be talking about what's going on, why we're getting so much sell off, and answering that main question of, is now the best time to invest? This sell off was the worst sell off Costco has seen in over 2 years in a single day. So this is crazy stuff, guys. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Any questions, by all means, ask them down in the comments. And if you guys want to learn more about trading and investing, I do have an amazing school where I teach people how to trade. I'm a full-time swing trader and I've been for over 6 years, and we teach my strategies, my mindset, how I find stock and opportunity in the stock market. Check it out down below, and you guys can use code YouTube, all caps, to get 20% off. So I'll see you in there, but let's jump into this here. So looking at Costco stock, you guys can see that lately this thing has been on an absolute beautiful upward trend. And then today we got that crazy amount of sell-off. So why are we getting so much sell-off? Well, if we go to the 1 minute chart here, you guys can see that it pretty much just got absolutely annihilated after hours here. It went from about $789 all the way down to lows here at about 745, and then during market hours it was near around 725. So why? Well, it actually comes into an earnings report. So this was Costco's pretty much worst day in nearly 2 years on quarterly revenue miss. So as we scroll down here, you guys will see that Costco missed revenue. Pretty much what happens every single quarter, so 4 times a year, all companies give an earnings report. Now, what their earnings, they give their revenue, their cash flow, things they did well, things they need to improve on. And with that being said, before those earnings reports, Wall Street will come out and say, hey, I predict Costco to have $1 billion in revenue, or whatever it may be. Now, if they beat expectations, often we'll see a lot of buying pressure behind it. But if they miss revenue, like in Costco's case, this will cause a lot of selling pressure because Wall Street could be nervous, or retail investors could be nervous about what's going on. So let's go ahead and see what's going on here. So we still had 7 brokerages raise their price target to Costco, with the most being $905 from the share price of $725. That's pretty good here, but let's continue to scroll down here and see. So, all right, so their fuel is up about 5.8%. We're really looking for their cash flow here. We're looking for their revenue. So with their last earnings report, the company posted adjusted second quarter earnings of about $3.71 a share from $3.30 a share earlier. Revenue totaled about $58.4 billion compared to a year ago, nearing around $55.3 billion. But still, pretty much why we're getting so much sell-off here is because Wall Street was hoping they were going to have about $59 billion in revenue, which in the grand scheme of things, do companies miss revenues often? Well, it happens. You know, if you look back at, icons like Apple, Nvidia, even like Microsoft, they miss earnings quite often. In the grand scheme of things, I really believe looking back in 2 to 5, 10, 15 years, we're not going to be worried about this earnings report in the overall total length of the company. So to answer that question of should you buy Costco stock right now, for me it all comes down to time frame. If you're looking to make money tomorrow, or to make money super soon within a year, I would probably hold off on Costco. Just because it could have a little more volatility, just because retail has been sluggish lately. On top of that, one of the things that they're actually doing really well on is their membership prices, their membership revenue. Their membership revenue has gone up, and on top of that, their fuel has gone up, like I said, about 5%. I believe because Costco historically has had lower fuel prices, which fuel has gotten more expensive, which is going to cause more people to want to get those memberships so they can actually have cheaper fuel prices, plus they can use Costco, in the store. So to answer that question, should you buy it? For me, I always think it comes down to time frame. And as of right now, I think a good strategy and a good mindset would be, yes, Costco still carries a lot of potential, but the best strategy for investing in a Costco would be to dollar cost average it. So investing consistently is a very, very good strategy to get a good average price for Costco stock, just because if it does sell off like it has in the past, you can just average in on that price, even if it keeps selling off. So once it recovers, your average cost is going to be a lot lower. It's a great way to invest into growth stocks or stocks that could have a little more volatility coming very, very soon. This is my strategy and mindset, and this is why we've gotten so much sell-off from Costco. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions, by all means, ask them down below, and we will see you guys in the next one. Take care.